Greg is locked in a sound chamber of doom. There's like, how many woofers in this thing?
16.
16 subwoofer. Okay, Greg, go for it. We can't hear anything, but... Oh, that's a Nike. That's it?
Oh my god.
That's it?
Are you kidding?
That's it. You can't take it. You didn't even last 2 seconds.
That's so short.
Oh my god. You gotta check that thing out.
You didn't even last 3 seconds in there.
My hand is gonna explode.
Okay, I'll do it.
Here we are, John's turn. Let's see what he can do. That's even less than mine. That's even less than mine. I told you, right? What happened? What happened?
I thought my head was gonna explode.
I told you.
You guys get this thing and try, man. It's just the hell of it. It's great.